salamat po sa Twilight sa pagbibigay sa amin ng mga award at pagkikilala sa amin dito sa UAE. Especially kay Kimi at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Twilight and the management. And sa Sony at sa lahat po na dito. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, mga Twilight, in behalf of Twilight McENT.ae, Sony Global Power Sound Party Speakers, we'd like to remind you to find your strength in God and always have a reason to smile, because when you have a smile on your face, it will help you go an extra mile.
And of course, don't forget to give thanks to the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Keep on smiling because your smile is precious.
Yeah.